Alrighty. Welcome, guys. It is June 23rd, Tuesday, and it is right as market is opening. Hey, look, we're kind of in a weird spot. We kind of sold. How many points was this from the high of yesterday? Yeah, almost 1,500. We just pushed down. We kept taking things. Okay, okay, okay. And next closest draw is all the way down here. Right? That's what I've got marked out. ES actually just took that low, which it already had taken the draw I have marked out. So this is really all I need to see for us to reverse. But this is still 100 points away plus. Although I think we could hit it. That would be great if we kind of push down. Okay, boom, and then reverse it up and take out some of this. That would be great. I really would not like us to just kind of reverse here. Okay, we push down for the next 15 minutes and then the next. Why is Opera GX close? Get Opera GX out of here. What else? I got a lot of stuff open that I don't. I probably should not be showing that, but it's fine. Just push down. But could see us, yeah, soup, either like a lower time frame soup or yeah, but I'd like the higher time frame soup, but this could be a soup if we retrace all the way up here. That would be okay. Took that low, took the low again, took the low one more time, and then we reverse and we never hit the low. That's gonna be my biggest thing because I need to see this low be taken, right? That low be taken, or one of these highs to be taken for me to think about shorts. But that's just what I need to see. Based on what we have so far in this day, I feel like we could get a retracement around here. That could be another one of okay. So we have this change in the state, or yeah, change of the state. Not really a change in the state, but yeah, it technically is. But boom, we have these. So we have LR right here. Could run into resistance, some resistance up here. But if we take these highs, boom, push up, take that, then come back down. What's ES doing? ES is still fiddling around. I don't hate that ES is fiddling around down there because I kind of want to. Yeah, we could go. Actually, we're gonna probably come up. Maybe fill one of these, tap into here, and then sell off, and then push. I don't know. That's just what I'm seeing. So if something comes up, I'm positive. Alrighty, we've continued to do diddly squat. Down, up, took the high. Down, then took the low, took the high. Push down in this fair value gap. Looks like we're going to push up and take the high again. He's not looking too great. ES did the same thing. Low. Low, didn't take the low, pushed away. So I'm hoping we can still push up, down, and then up. But I really would have loved for market open to dump to then push up because I know we'd have enough speed and time left in the market to then run it. But if we push up here into here, I could look for some serious shorts to then take that low because that honestly, that's a larger draw than this for me. So if we push up, where are we looking to reject? Okay, obviously take the highs. That's the highest. Okay, 45-minute. Oh, open up. This does. I'm like, well, if this took liquidity, soup, that's kind of the change of state right there. We didn't take, well, we didn't have really into anything besides this fair value gap, so not too strong to hold, but still possible. So obviously, we have to tap into these first, then this order block. The order block is more likely to hold than fair value gap. Then I forget. There's a PD array list from ICT or somebody put it together. ICT probably mentioned it, something about that, like PD array, like strength or like targets list, like what is most likely going to, get respected. Fair value gaps don't get respected too often. but liquidity sweeps, order blocks, breakers get respected way more often. And so you're like, okay, we could reverse off of this fair value gap, but we don't have to. Okay, the change of the state. Okay, looks better. Okay, take some liquidity. There we go. Now we're looking like it. But I could see us open up, manipulate up here, push down. But if that happens, I'll unpause it again. Try not to make this way too long. So if I want to rewatch it. Alrighty, welcome back. And we've continued to push up. Broke through basically the change of the state. So that's basically gone. But now, push up into this inverse. Now we just took that high. So now I'm like, okay, this is, that's basically the end of the list. It's liquidity. That's usually the last thing standing is the liquidity unless we're distributing. So either we're taking this reversing, taking that reversing, but then also looking at yes. Right? Okay. Push down, took the low. Okay. Pushing up, looking like we're could be close to taking London high. Boom. This price point. Look at how precise. Boom. Took that. So now I want us to sweep that before we go lower. I used to call this like a BPR balance price range. Like, okay, so boom here, trade down, trade up, trade down. Probably is. I don't know. But then I'm like, wait, technically a BPR is the two fair value gaps overlapping. So yeah, I'd probably find out what this is called, but I've noticed that if we sweep it once like that, usually we want to sweep it again. So looking like this could be the area. What is YM? I never use YM. Okay, YM doing its own thing. YM in its own world. If we do close below here, I do like that. Do I believe in entering up here, though? Could I enter up here? Am I confident enough to enter up here? Who knows? Or boom, we soup and we just push up, take this. I think will have me a billion% confirmed. Like I want to short it because I know that it will be the top. Is if we push up, take that, while ES takes that. Unfortunately, I don't know if that's going to be the case. ES just broke below that. So, yeah. So if that's the manipulation leg, that's the liquidity sweep right here. Should that be protected? I mean, it doesn't have to be. We didn't tap into that gap almost. So I do think we are going to push up and then push back down. So I'm positive that happened. Alrighty, I'm back. We pushed up and took it on ES. Hey, we took that on ES, 10 a.m. I realized opened high. Now we tapped into this order block. Where is 50% of the order block? That would be kind of crazy if 50% is holding, 50% has held. And I just have a feeling we might just keep running because of all of this down, up, rather than down, up. That's what I was hoping. That's, what I was looking for at the start of today. But, I mean, we didn't take anything major to the downside that I wanted to see taken to then take longs, except on ES. If this was in Q, okay, boom. Okay, I'm looking for, okay, that could be manipulation, retrace already. No soup, no nothing. And we never tap back in the breaker. So that's what would happen on ES. Watch this be the soup. Watch that be the soup that causes the high, but I swear every time I draw this, it oh, what happened? Gosh darn it. Okay, now we're good. Now we're good. I swear, every time I draw that, put a soup on something, it immediately gets broken. So, damn. But the problem is that this is like damn near. This is over 100 points. The manipulation. I mean, this move has been massive from the open of today. I mean, it's been a 400-point move. So, but 1,500 points from yesterday makes sense as to why. But I really wanted shorts, or I really wanted long. Let's see if we took that. I really wanted shorts up here, so that's why I still like them, but it's just hard for me to like shorts when they're not screaming clear. So I mean, there's not much else for me to say besides yeah. Well, if something happens or I see something else, I will unpause it. Alrighty, so we've yeah, kind of just pushed up, souped the high again. Now pushing down, I'm like, well, technically, if I think that's that, then this becomes the breaker. That's not breaker. Because order block that took the high. This doesn't look clean at all. And so looking for possible targets, the low. Obviously I want the low, but I don't know if we're going to get shorts. To be honest. Now that I say that, we're going to get shorts, but it doesn't look clean. It's not clean. Right? Yes, it looks off. It shouldn't look off. The area is good, which is usually the problem, because usually the area looks just a little off, but the setup looks good. It's the opposite. The area looks good, actually great, and the setup just looks off. It looks like we're trying to form a higher time frame order block, right? Get a close above here in 2 minutes. So if that is what happens, then probably not going to have a trade then. But I know what I was looking for and haven't gotten it so far, and so yeah, that's kind of it. So if anything happens, I'll pause it. All right, we have done absolutely nothing. Yay, my favorite. Uh, yeah, just unfortunate after giant sell off. Probably just gonna keep pushing up slowly. Really wanted us to take this low to then rip it, but I mean, yes, just straight up. But even then, yes, I don't like this. So yeah, that's kind of unfortunate that didn't see really anything. This could still reverse here, but after doing that, not really liking it, and we've disrespected a little too much for me to like, and we're about to disrespect this order block. So yeah, just kind of unfortunate. No trade day was coming into it with high hopes. We moved a bunch, just nothing that I wanted to take. Yeah, so we didn't push down, sweep that, and we didn't reverse from up here. So that's kind of it. But I'll see you guys tomorrow.